This is the Exped Typhoon 25. This is a fully waterproof bag, which is really nice if you're going out in especially wet areas. It's a 25-liter bag and the material is really soft but durable. The straps have some cushion to them. There's a sternum strap and a waist strap, which you can remove. And the back has some breathability to it. On each side of the bag, there is a elastic water bottle holder. And there's a little strap that is tucked into the water bottle holder for any additional items. Roll top enclosure. Roll it a few times, bring it around and snap it closed, keeping everything inside nice and dry. And there are even a couple hooks on those enclosures so that once it's closed up and you need to hang it up somewhere, you can do that. Let us take a look inside. The inside of the bag is pretty straightforward. I'm going to turn it inside out so you guys can see it. At the bottom, there is a hook. I'm not sure what this hook is for. Maybe to dry it if you were to clean it, or if anything were to get inside. There's also a small zippered pocket with little key hook attached built in so that you can organize any of the items that you need easy access to, wallet, keys, etc. Otherwise, it's just a big black hole of a bag where you could stuff it with anything that you need for your day. I'm excited to use this on our water adventures when we go paddle boarding or kayaking. This is definitely going to be our go-to bag. It's the right size for me to carry some of my stuff, some of Esther's stuff, our camera gear. And for extra measure, when I carry camera gear near water, I usually use another dry bag inside of any bag that I use, so I double it up, just in case. It does come in a 15-liter as well if you don't need as much space or you're just looking for something lighter. I will link to the bag below so that you can check out those details. Let me know if you have any questions or if there are any other bags you want me to check out. Thanks and happy adventuring.